Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the beautiful world of crochet crop top designs, a fashion trend that is stylish, unique, and completely handmade. Crochet crop tops have become extremely popular, especially for summer. They are lightweight, breathable, and very comfortable to wear. The best part is that each piece has a handmade touch, which makes it truly special. On the other hand, there are more detailed and intricate designs that include floor patterns, ice-style textures, and boho-inspired looks. These designs are more advanced but look absolutely stunning and eye-catching. They often come in tie-up or backless styles, making them perfect for and sleeveless designs are another popular choice that give a modern and fashionable vibe. Talking about color pastel shades, earthly tones, and bright summer colors all look amazing in crochet crop tops, plain look or mixed color patterns. These crop tops can be styled easily with jeans, skirts, or even layered with other outfits. They instantly enhance your overall look and add a touch of creativity. So if you love handmade fashion or want to try something unique, crochet crop tops are definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel for more amazing crochet ideas. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching video.